not sure what you're doing, but you do not have any access to that site whatsoever. You understand that, right?
What are you talking about?
You cannot access or enter that construction
I
site.
don't want to go in.
Okay.
I can't hear you. I can't hear you, man. Why is that? Why are you asking? Well, then you really just should go back to work. I'm just making a video, dude. That's it. I can't get into it. I can't get into it. Can't tell you what's going on.
No, sir. What are these guys at, bro? I told this guy I don't want to get this camera. I'm working here. I don't know what it's on. I don't know what's all about, bro.
Yeah, I can't hear you from there. Do you want to talk about
That is why I'm asking you to explain what's all about, bro. I don't want
How
to
are
get
you?
no camera. I'm working here.
I'm very well, thank you.
No, he just wanted to know because
can you feel like
because you guys had masks and everything. That's all.
That's it.
Buddy,
But
you don't owe me an explanation.
Are you guys
I was
going for
working
that,
and I saw the camera,
No.
so I'm just
No.
asking, like, what this is.
Okay, like I told him, we're just filming
With
some
who?
history right now, capturing moments.
The builders?
Yeah.
Pardon me?
Capturing moments.
You captured
My
moments.
builder's my
Yeah.
friend. Have a good day, guys.
as
You
well,
have a good day,
Thank
sir.
you.
We can help you guys.
Nope.
You guys can't be filming here, eh?
Why is that?
This is private property. You guys can't be filming here.
You sure about that?
I'm pretty sure about that.
What do you want to
Yeah.
eat today?
I don't know. There's a lot of nice restaurants in here.
What do you feel like?
I'm not sure yet.
Hey, buddy. Don't talk to those guys, man. These guys don't want nothing to
Are there any pizza spots around here?
Let's go, man.
Pasta. I know you like pasta.
Yeah, I'll get some pasta.
They have nothing to do, bro. See, grown ass.
Have you ate there? Have you ate there before, or is it just a new spot?
I think it's a new spot. I haven't eaten there yet,
You
so
want to eat in, or you want a patio, or take it to go? What do you want to do?
if it's not raining, I think the patio would be awesome.
Oh, that'd be pretty cool. Check it out.
So what's this for, guys? This is just for fun?
What do they serve?
Pasta?
What kind?
I don't know yet. I have never tried the place.
Oh.
What's going on, man?
Is there enough for takeout later?
Oh, here.
I know some of them are small order.
I think we'll get some takeout. I think so.
Do they do Uber?
I don't know, man. We'll have to see.
Do Uber Eats? I feel like hawking or training myself today.
Me either.
I literally just want to film some history.
there and film, eh? The construction site. We have concrete trucks backing in and out. So we need you to move along. You just gonna stand there like weirdos with your cameras on?
Call the police, man. You're working the machine and they come to the gate, stopping you from working. Call the police, bro.
Call the police because they don't want to go. And they're standing ready to
A
gate.
grown ass man like you. Yeah, you should, where's your wife? You have a dog. Go. You're a system dog, bro. Go. So I'm trying to tell you, you're a system dog.
Tie up your shoes, man. You're on a job site.
Every individual here, every individual here takes over 100,000. Get your life together, man. Get your life together.
So, it's all cost. You guys really have nothing better to do with your time, eh?
You weird accent. Boy, get out of here.
Yeah, brother.
Let me give you some advice. Go back to work. The cops are gonna tell you they can't do shit, but go back to work.
They can actually. You're standing in our gate where we have concrete trucks,
brother.
backing in and out.
I'm a grown-ass man. I know how to move
Hey,
when I park.
Oh, you guys are losers with nothing better to do than to sit here and film people.
If the cops show up, make sure you're here when I tell them to go suck a dick.
Don't ask my doing don't do their lives. They just filming guys working.
Bro, go to
Real
work.
good, bro. Hey, I'm working. This is my job. People protect the
Here,
sun, man.
document the history. Guys,
Did you call already?
This is history in the making. You understand that,
I
right?
understand that, but bro.
So you telling me I can't document it is crazy.
Yeah, just leave people alone on the public sidewalks.
No,
Be a little healthier.
You're in our gate.
Oh no!
This is our gate.
Like leave.
This is our construction site.
Construction sites have the biggest snowflakes in them. I always told you that. We don't feel comfortable. My butt's hurt.
You're literally in the spot that's made for pedestrians. What's wrong with you guys? This is made for
That's it.
pedestrians. You
That's the
understand
exact
that,
question
right?
I have.
As long as they don't step over here.
Thank you, sir.
No shit, man. Hey.
Somebody has some knowledge on this site. Your helmets are too tight.
Yeah.
This guy actually has knowledge of what public is. Brother, I'm as respectful as these guys are. If they
We
come up
give what
trying
we
to
get.
violate my rights, respect goes on.
I don't buy your rights. We're just like we didn't ask for to be filmed.
Respectful to you. The second they said violate my rights,
We didn't ask to be filmed. You guys are filming us.
Yeah. You don't have to stand here, then. Go back to work.
No, I know, but I was called to be here.
You were called to be here.
Respect. Do you think people want cameras in their fucking face? No.
Were you just driving this machine? So get back in it and keep driving.
Excuse
No
me,
joke.
Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do?
Go back to work.
Go find something better to do with your
Oh,
time.
this
than
is
to sit in front
great.
of the fucking
This is
camera,
awesome.
You lowlife.
You're gonna be a big hit. If you don't want to be on camera, keep moving, bro.
You got a call, dude. What are you doing?
Cops will tell you the same thing, dude.
I'm calling the cops. Son, dude, but you guys have nothing better to do to talk to.
Drop that B. Right across the front gate. There. Not standing at the gate like that, oh?
Yeah, outside street.
Go on the sidewalk.
And I know how to move for. I can spot a cement truck a mile away and know how to get out of the way too.
Hey, but still, we have people coming in and out.
That's
we don't
cool.
want you in the alleyway, so you guys can stay out of the alleyway.
No, that's cool. That's
Hey,
cool.
thanks, sir.
We're pedestrians. We have the right of way.
Now we get you.
Yep.
No, because now you're holding up
I don't
work.
know,
We
yeah,
have
go to
people
work. We're
trying to
not
get in.
gonna
and
talk.
Oh
You're
yeah?
done.
Is this guy trying to get in?
Yeah,
Well, then he's got all the room.
The
The jackass with the bobcat here is blocking the driveway, not
you are
me.
the fucking losers sitting there with cameras. What are you guys filming for?
None of your business.
No, I'm just
It's just
curious.
a documentation, man.
Okay.
What's going in here?
It's
Says
a building.
condos?
It's a building.
Is it condos?
Yes.
Yeah, see?
How are you, sir?
Hey, man.
Well, thank you. These two are having a hissy fit. You guys just chill out, brother. You guys got work to do. You guys have work to do, man.
We don't respect guys who hide their face. They're pussy around here. Come on,
Guys, let's go.
guys.
And get this bobcat out of the way. This fellow wants to get in here, apparently. How's it going?
Strap up, man.
Doing good work. They
Stand up,
You
stand up.
guys should be proud of what we guys are doing there. Upgrading the
Wait.
community, right?
Maybe you should grow a pair of balls and stop being a little girl about a camera. Yeah, you idiots that wear those logging helmets are the extra special ones. You ride the short bus to work. It's a logging helmet, dude. Get a construction helmet. Can't really get into it. Just making a video, man.
Oh, yeah?
Yep.
Okay, cool. Right on.
Yeah, you take it easy, bro.
Yeah, cheers, man.
You too.
It's a construction access gate. You
Oh, now?
cannot stand here. If you don't leave, I will call the police and I will have you removed.
Call the police.
Very good.
Yep.
Call the cops, have them removed.
The cops are gonna tell you to eat a bag of dicks, just like I'm gonna tell you to eat a bag of dick.
Don't, what are you doing?
Just keep
What are
going.
you doing? No, don't do
Just
that.
keep going.
Don't do that. No, don't tell me that.
Keep going.
You don't have to ask me if you
Dude,
record
back the
me.
fuck
Don't
up.
record me like that.
Cops are coming.
Fuck
Go
off.
fuck yourself.
Go fuck off.
Fuck you too, you little pussy.
Come here, I'm gonna
All
fuck
trees
off.
gonna have. Yeah, you just threatened me with the hammer, you fucking loser.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Fuck off.
Yeah, we got that guy's face.
Police have been called.
That's cool. I hope you're here when I tell him to go fuck off. Because you're next. See, the little guys always have the biggest problem.
That's
that-
what you should worry about instead
And
of...
that'll be very, very clear
instead
in
of
the
traffic
footage, and that's
direction.
his all tree construction. They already mentioned who it was. And then you're, that's right.
Nothing wrong. We're not, no ill intent. We're not here to disrupt.
We got
Brother,
you.
for the third time, we're
You know,
well
I'm a
aware.
tin basher. I work high rise. I do everything, bro.
Anyways, have a good day.
Yeah,
You have a
too.
good one, sir. Thank you. Hey, boss. Are we waiting for police? Because we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait if has anyone called them.
I'm going for lunch.
Has anyone called though? Because we're gonna hang around if so.
You gotta deal with the builder. I don't know. We're just going for lunch.
All right, we'll be here, buddy.
What's the target? I want to watch it later, if you don't mind.
Well, you're gonna see it, brother.
What is it, though?
You guys will see it. Trust me.
Oh, cool.
100%.
I want to see it.
You will. You guys will for sure.
What's it called?
You'll see it. Don't worry.
How am I going to find it, though?
And then
It'll
you get
happen.
calls from your friends saying you're on the internet.
Oh,
Swear to
hey.
God.
Oh, yeah, no joke. You will. You'll hear about it.
Sick buzz?
I'm in construction, dude.
Hey, go, come. Leave him alone.
Oh, he's cool.
You're being very polite. You're being polite.
Yo, man, you take it easy, okay? Enjoy your day at work. It's Friday, man. Do you guys get off early? Is this a union site? I think they get off early on Fridays.
The right to record in Canada and the USA is governed by a principle of constitutional paramountcy that renders a Karen's subjective disapproval legally irrelevant. In Canada, Section 52 of the Constitution Act 1982 establishes the Charter as the supreme law, while the USA relies on the Supremacy Clause and the First Amendment. These frameworks ensure that the public square remains a site of open observation. Because the law is supreme, any state intervention triggered by a bystander who is uneducated about the lack of privacy in public is of no force or effect, ensuring that individual liberty is not a privilege subject to the approval of others. To prevent the government from acting as a personal enforcement arm for misinformed citizens, the law imposes a heavy justificatory burden on the state. In Canada, the Oakes test under Section 1 requires that any limit on a right be minimally impairing and backed by a pressing and substantial objective. U.S. courts apply a similar standard of strict scrutiny for content-based restrictions. A Karen's personal annoyance or their ignorance regarding filming rights does not constitute a valid legal reason for an officer to seize a camera or stop a recording. This ensures that the state remains a neutral guardian of the law rather than a servant to social friction. The Living Tree Doctrine in Canada ensures that Section 2B, protections for expression, grow alongside technology, a concept mirrored in U.S. jurisprudence regarding digital media. While a Karen might view a smartphone as a modern nuisance, the law identifies it as a protected medium for the search for truth and public accountability. This purposive interpretation ensures that the constitutional floor remains stable even as technology evolves. By prioritizing the democratic value of transparency over the uneducated demands of bystanders, the judiciary ensures that the right to document remains a constant feature of North American life.